your peers are making more money than you, feeling everyone is getting ahead in their career while you are stuck in the same position for years now. As a result, leaving money on the table that could have belonged to you. Learn these 3 little known strategies to earn more money than your peers. Yes, you can outdo your peers and colleagues if and only if you do not do yourself a disservice by skipping any of these 3 points I am going to spill for you. These distinctive insights are hidden in plain sight, but they are the same strategies my personal clients have confirmed using them day in, day out, either consciously or subconsciously to move up in their career or business, which had enabled them to reach a financial stage in life of needing to engage an independent advisor like myself to plan for their early retirement. Strategy 1. The mooncake analogy best explained by Coach Jason Ho. Simply explained, say if I ask a world-class Michelin star baker to make you the best mooncake in the world, but he gives it to you in a plastic bag, ikat tepi, you will feel meh. But if I'm not a chef, right? I just go and buy a regular mooncake from your night market pasar malam and package it in an elaborate decor like this with fireworks. When you open the box, you will go, wow, this must be good, before you even taste it. People get promoted because they know how to package themselves well, even though they are just average. Here's some actionable pointers. Be visible by often asking solid questions and giving great comments at the beginning or at the end of an important group meeting. You make lasting impression because nobody remembers what happens in the middle. Another tactic to stand out: be a proactive problem solver. Most workers bring their problems to the boss and expect boss to give them an answer, but to market yourself better, you want to directly propose at least 2 options on how to address a problem or an issue and let your boss make the final call. Now, before I elaborate on the next strategy, I need you to tap on that subscribe button to follow one of the most frequently updated YouTube channel that discusses financial issues impacting Malaysians. I literally upload new videos every week about personal finance and making more money with this special members only insider membership right here on YouTube. Links in the pinned comment below, giving you access to many more money making and investing insights not publicly available in this channel. The next strategy is deploy the D2C principle. Must give credit to Ramit Sethi. Now, let me warn you that this strategy alone would not work unless you use it together with the third strategy, which is by far the most important of all the 3 strategies. So ensure you do not miss what I am about to share with you shortly. Example, a scenario at the office. You put in a lot of work and effort in a project or in a task, but your slacking colleague who didn't do as much gotten much more recognition than you. Now, can you relate? Tell me if that happens to you, would you feel upset? Most people cannot help but adopt a dismissive attitude, which means in your head, you say,
Haya must be Zila or Kodak on the way up lah.
Oh, she got promoted. He must be sleeping with the boss.
Oh, he got promoted because always play golf with the higher ups wah.
Being curious means in your head, you say,
I wonder what I can learn from him or her on his or her fast-track promotion.
D. Dismissive. Being resentful, brushing away something as unworthy of consideration. C. Curiosity. Taking a step back and say, what I didn't know or what did I miss to do better up next. From dismissive to curious, you put your negativity or skepticism aside and instead find out what you can learn from it. Fools cannot separate their emotions, ego, feeling about something or someone from what they can learn from something or someone. Do not be a fool. It is totally possible to not like someone yet respect or learn from the things that they have done right. Even if you think they are a fool, there could be insights they have that may just improve your game when they are slaughtering all the armchair critics and keyboard warriors out there with results. Lose our ego. We are here to win and grow, even if that means learning from our rival, our competitors. Is your ego more important than having more zeros in your bank account? That brings me to the next point. Evolve to a T-shaped person in any organization. An I-shape is an expert in one thing, a specialist. A dash shape is a generalist capable in a lot of things but not expert in any. You call that jack of all trades, master of none. Combine the two to become a T-shape, capable, multi-skilled, and also happen to be a sought-after expert in one area. Example, you excel at cooking. On top of that, you are also marketing savvy, know how to scale a business, and are magnetic in front of the camera. That's how you become Gordon Ramsay. T-shaped people are highly valued and also highly paid wherever they go. Coupled with the strength and ability to learn things quickly, T-shaped people not only excel in their primary responsibilities but also able to perform other tasks effectively. Any well-intentioned, respectable advisor like CF Lieu will tell you, I cannot help you if you do not help yourself when you are struggling financially. Not because we look down on you, it's just because I think you should really work on your earning power first before even talking or focusing on investing. You invest 100 ringgit. Even if you get a 100% return in a year, it is going to be just another 100 ringgit. Is it going to make any difference in your life? But if you invest 100,000 ringgit by only getting a 10% per year return, that's already 10,000 versus just a 100 ringgit return, 100 times more. Give this video a like if you have enjoyed it and this is the other related video you want to watch.